Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is an awesome day because I'm going to be launching my first Amazon FBA product, and I've been looking around for a while trying to find the right product to launch, and finally came across kind of the right opportunity. It's not an AliExpress product. It's not a product that I found from a manufacturer and that I am just mass ordering and shipping to a fulfillment center. This is a highly customized product that is really unlike anything else out there on the market, and I wanted to find a product like this because a lot of people, just find an AliExpress product, which does work. It's just becoming more and more competitive these days. There are a lot of people doing this, so it's harder to stand out, and Amazon shoppers are becoming more intelligent. So if you just have the same product as the next 5 sellers, it is likely that people will just look for a lower price product and take the cheapest one, assuming that it has some decent reviews up there. And I don't want to get into that. I don't want to find myself in a position where I have the same product as someone else and we get into a price war, which never ends up well. Someone will always find a lower price point to sell at, and some people will even sell at a loss to beat you out on Amazon FBA. So finding a unique product is really, it's a lot harder to do, but there's a lot more upside if you find the right product and you know how to market it on Amazon. And so this product is the Omni Ball. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the website here in a minute, and we can scroll through all that on the desktop mode, but I just wanna talk about it for a minute here because it's a unique situation where the product was manufactured, and the manufacturer, who actually I do know decently well, made too many products and their marketing was not operating at a profit. So they essentially have all this excess inventory that they need to get rid of, but they do have an excellent product. So I've been taking it, selling it off of Shopify for them for a while and getting some decent sales. But the idea is always just to get in as many sales channels as possible, and it would be crazy to ignore Amazon. So we're looking at shipping just a small amount, just a couple hundred of these over to Amazon and beginning to list on Amazon. And the idea, the one thing about this product, and you'll see in a minute here, is it is not in a small box. So shipping to Amazon becomes expensive, and the Amazon fees for storage also become very expensive if we don't move this inventory quick enough. Amazon charges you on a per cubic foot basis. So if we move this product to an Amazon warehouse and it gets stuck there for a long time, that becomes very expensive. So there is some risk. That's why we're starting off with just a few products. And the idea is to get it over there, use the marketing channels we already have in place to do a product launch on Amazon, get a couple good reviews, and then start hitting it with some ad dollars and, sell it, hopefully just break even from the get-go, spend a lot on advertising per sale until it gains a little bit of momentum and see where we can take it from there. So let's go ahead and hop in the computer, and I want to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about with this product. So here's the OmniBall website. It's currently at omniathletica.com because omniball.com was not available. And it's, as I mentioned before, it's built out on the Shopify platform. So we pay $30 a month for that basic Shopify setup. And it's kind of light on the apps at the moment. We haven't put a ton of apps onto the website yet, but one that we are using is Affiliately, and it's an affiliate app. It's how we sell. It's how we get most of our sales, is by picking up affiliates and then giving them a commission per sale that they make. And as you can see, it's a nicely designed website that does definitely convert well. But the idea here with moving to FBA is to kind of open up and broaden that funnel of the total people that are seeing our product. And FBA does have its costs, but in a lot of ways those costs are kind of like your marketing costs, because over 50% of people start all of their online shopping on Amazon. So if your product is listed there, they can be finding your product, and that can be, if you're placing your listing right, that can be your entire marketing budget, and it just makes things more automated. If you're fulfilling through Amazon FBA, you're shipping all of your products to an Amazon warehouse, and then you're paying a flat shipping fee, and someone else handles all of those annoying little details. So it definitely takes a chunk of your margin. We will be paying 15% commission on every sale that is made through Amazon, and then the Amazon FBA fee, which we've priced out to about $7 and $9 for the 2 different weight categories of the OmniBall. And then other fees include the warehouse fees for storing your product, which can get expensive. With this one, it's a bigger product, so the idea is to move these rather quickly and hopefully not get stuck in a warehouse between October and December, because those holiday months are very pricey for keeping an item in the warehouse. But you know, as I mentioned earlier, very excited about getting this to Amazon because that is where most people are doing sales these days. I mean, it is definitely nice to have this website as a storefront. We do make sales through it, and we will continue to keep this up. But the opportunity on Amazon is too good to pass up, and it's exciting for me because I'm not just listing you know, some product that's already been listed 5 or 10 times on Amazon. It's really hard to find a unique product without retooling your own product these days, and that takes quite a bit of time to get into. So it was nice to have an opportunity of something that's already been designed and the units have been made, and just taking those, putting them in the right place, and it's kind of a plug and play move. So I will update you guys, you know, with the results after this is sent to an Amazon FBA warehouse, and let you know what the sales look like going into that and how that process has worked, because it is rather new for me. I have not actually purchased my Amazon seller account yet, so kind of excited to dive into that as well. If you have any questions about selling on Amazon or selling on Amazon with Shopify, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know about your experience as well, because I'd love to hear about it. All right, thanks guys.